Today, we are taking a look at 3 stocks that top-rated analysts just refreshed their buy ratings on. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. It is Julie here with Tip Ranks. And today we're diving in to 3 stocks that just had buy ratings reiterated today from some top-ranked analysts. On top of that, their overall consensus is a strong buy with some double-digit upside potential. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I found today's stocks looking at TipRank's daily analyst ratings. Found under the Tools page, here you can find a collection of the latest Wall Street ratings. I put in a few filters, including a 5-star analyst performance with a buy rating and an upside of over 10% to get a list of companies down below. You can check out the daily stock ratings on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app. Also, for a limited time, TipRanks is having an Easter sale where you can get 70% off premium subscriptions. So if you've been wanting to unlock some fantastic research tools, now is the time to do so. The discount link will be pinned in the comments below. Now let's dive right into our 3 stocks. First up, we're taking a look at UMB Financial. They trade under the ticker UMBF, currently priced at $115 per share. The stock has gained 32% in the past year. In the last 3 months, it is down from highs back in February, dropping about 6.4%. UMB Financial is a diversified financial services company operating a full-service regional bank. They generate revenue through commercial lending, consumer banking, and fee-based businesses like asset servicing and wealth management. The company has a strong presence with institutional clients, offering custody, fund administration, and corporate trust services, alongside traditional banking products like loans and deposits. Their last earnings report came out near the end of January, where we saw a solid earnings and revenue beat, plus strong operational momentum, with record earnings and robust loan production. Q4 earnings per share of $3.08 beat expectations by 38 cents per share, while the company reported Q4 revenue of $1.09 billion, well ahead of the $677 million anticipated. The company saw their average loans grow by 13% linked quarter annualized, and average deposits increased 5.6%. The company also saw the successful integration of their Heartland acquisition with early synergy and product expansion wins. And just today, we've actually had 3 Wall Street analysts reiterate their buy ratings. And that included 5-star analyst John Arfstrom from RBC Capital. He reiterated a buy rating and increased his price target to $138 per share. He said the firm sees the outlooks on regional banks as relatively stable from Q4 earnings and remains constructive on the fundamentals heading into quarterly results, seeing healthy loan and revenue growth as key drivers of solid earnings and returns for their coverage this year. Overall, UMB Financial has 11 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 9 buys and 2 holds. The average price target is $142, implying an upside potential of 23%. Looking at the most recent ratings down below, they all have double-digit upside potential, ranging from over 12% all the way up to 38%. Second on our list is Hasi, or HA Sustainable Infrastructure Capital. They trade under the ticker HASI, and this is a stock we've covered several times before. They're currently priced just shy of $38 per share, having climbed 55% in the past year and gaining nearly 15% in the last 3 months. Hasi is a specialty finance company focused on providing lending for clean energy and sustainable infrastructure projects. They provide capital for assets like solar, wind, energy storage, and efficiency upgrades, essentially acting as a financial backbone for the energy transition. Their business model is built around long-term contracted cash flows tied to renewable energy and climate-focused investments. They also came out with strong results for their 4th quarter in early February, with both an earnings and revenue beat, plus record investment volume for 2025. Q4 earnings per share came in 1 cent ahead of expectations, while Q4 revenue of $114.8 million was ahead of the $105 million anticipated. For 2025, they closed $4.3 billion in new transactions, which was an increase of 87% versus the year before. And looking forward, their pipeline increased to more than $6.5 billion at the end of the year. And reiterating a buy rating today was an analyst from Morgan Stanley. Robert Cad, who is rated nearly 5 stars, reiterated his buy rating while increasing his price target to $54 for an upside of over 42%. This was part of the firm adjusting their targets for North American midstream and renewable energy infrastructures. Previous to that, we did hear from analyst at Mizuho, who said that Hasi's growth profile is supported by minimal sensitivity to near-term policy uncertainty or end market demand softness. The Hasi stock also has 11 current analyst ratings, also coming in as a strong buy with 9 buys and 2 holds. And the average price target of $45.50 implies an upside potential of 20%. Looking at those recent ratings, on the low end, we do have a hold with a fairly flat price target here, and our high end is Morgan Stanley at over 42% upside. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Third on the list, we're looking at Xcel Energy. They trade under the ticker XEL, currently priced just above $80 per share. And yes, this is a stock I've touched on in the past before. In the last year, they've gained about 20%, and in the last 3 months are up over 9.5%. Xcel is a regulated electric and natural gas utility company. Serving millions of customers across the U.S., they generate stable revenue through energy delivery while investing heavily in renewable power like wind and solar. Xcel is one of the leading utilities pushing towards clean energy, with a large pipeline of grid modernization and decarbonization projects supporting long-term growth. Back in February, they did come out with some mixed results for their latest quarter, with earnings being in line with expectations and revenue falling a bit short. But the company did reaffirm their full-year guidance and saw record capital investment. They reported Q4 earnings per share of 96 cents, and revenue came in at $3.56 billion, which was behind the $3.63 billion anticipated. Looking at the full year, however, their earnings per share of $3.80 did beat estimates and grew over 8%, marking the 21st consecutive year of meeting or exceeding their ongoing earnings guidance. Looking forward, they reaffirmed their earnings per share guidance and forecast an average 9% earnings per share growth rate through 2030. And of course, today we did have a reiterated buy rating from a top analyst. That was from Julian Smith, a 5-star analyst at Jefferies, who bumped up their price target to $99 per share for an upside of over 22%. Now, we haven't heard commentary from him yet, but we can look back to some comments from the last analyst in March. They did slightly lower their price target, but maintained their buy rating based on top quartile earnings per share growth and upcoming catalysts that can improve valuation, with the stock now implying sub 7% growth after recent underperformance. And just like our other stocks, Xcel Energy also has 11 current analyst ratings, but their strong buy consensus comes with 10 buys and just 1 hold. The average price target of $91.45 implies an upside potential of over 13%. And looking at those most recent ratings down below, they range from an upside of 10.3%, with our recent 22.7% from Jefferies being the high end. So that is a quick look at 3 strong buy stocks, all with top analysts confirming their buy ratings just today. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and which one you'd put on your watch list. I always love hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.